In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital maze activity using Google Slides. This is a fun and creative way to add some interactive content to your presentations or lesson plans. So, let's dive right in and make an engaging maze that everyone will enjoy navigating. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you haven't already, you need to sign into your Google account. Having your account ready ensures that everything you create will be securely saved to your Google Drive, and it will make it easy to access later on. Once you've successfully signed in, head over to the Google Slides homepage. Here you'll find various templates and presentations. For our maze activity, you can start by clicking on blank presentation, or choose a suitable template if you feel like adding a pre-designed touch. With your blank slide open, it's time to start building the maze. To insert an image and form the design of your maze, click on the Insert option located in the top menu. This will bring up a drop-down menu with various options of what you can add to your slide. Next, select Image from the drop-down menu, which will prompt a few more options to appear. These options provide different ways to add images, but the one we will use is Search the Web. Click on it, and a new panel will appear on the right side of your screen. In this search panel, type in maze to find relevant images that can be used for your activity. You'll see a variety of maze designs, some intricate and others more straightforward. Choose an image that best suits the complexity you desire for your participants. Once you find one you like, click to insert it into your slide. Adjust the size of the image as needed by clicking and dragging the corners of the maze. This ensures that it fits well on your slide and allows enough room for any additional instructions or elements you'd like to include. You can even add some text boxes with clues or directions if you wish to enhance the activity. And there you have it, a digital maze activity ready to go. You can now share this interactive maze with your audience, whether that's a classroom of students or attendees of a presentation. Simply share the Google Slides presentation link and let them enjoy the challenge of solving the maze. This creative use of Google Slides not only makes your slides interactive, but also fun for everyone participating. Thanks for watching, and happy maze making.